How do you fix Uncharted Legacy of Thieves Collection is crashing on Steam? So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties. Now in the launch options you can try to add -DX11 or -DX10 if the first one keeps crashing, and then go to installed files and verify the game files. And once this is completed, you can close Steam. Next, you'll need to open up your browser and head to this link, which is going to be in the description. And from this table for redistributables, you want to install the 86 and the 64 installer, both of them. And once this finishes the installation, it will require you to restart your system. And right after the restart, you'll also need to check if you have the latest GPU driver updates installed. So you can either use the NVIDIA app or the AMD software depending on which GPU you have. And make sure to check for updates and download and install the latest driver updates. Now all you need to do is right click on Steam and run it as admin. And then you can launch the game from the library. And that should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.